What's up, guys? I don't understand, Junior. Did we get both there?
All gone people.
Well, one people. That's so annoying. My always at it though. We don't have nothing for vlog today, so we walk over to town center. And so we are carrying all the way. I don't understand how every minute I look for my skin, I be a cut. Junior, you cut me if I'm asleep, my boy?
Yeah, man.
But yeah, I have cut for my hand. I have cut for my leg them. Boy, you know, I'm sleep, I crab me up. I tell me say, him drop asleep a while ago. Take the keys. Him drop asleep a while ago and say him don't like evening sleep or afternoon sleep because him dream weird things. So I ask him what him dream. Boy, I plan to kill me. One guy in bed. Gun dreams and like me ear a fire.
That's not it.
And that you tell me.
Like,
So what you tell me?
you say like, you hear like that.
Tell the people what you tell me. People.
So they say me a dream, say me a appeared lighter.
Yeah. And
You hear never light.
him say me and him a played lighter in my dream, you know. Me have one lighter with invisible because him say me and me I use and my mouth make the sound. Him have a real lighter where him say him a fake with it by turning it the opposite way. And accidentally turn it the other way. Go so, him say when he light it, he only ear. And my ear catch a fire, my ball out. You don't smell me ear. so like something I would have say. Like, Junior, you used to say catch me ear. So guys, we're now going with a nice Sunday afternoon. What you do? Wait for people to answer you? And I saw them answer you.
Well, people me kind of, me no motivate it, you know. I try to motivate myself. I'm just not too
Drop
long.
asleep.
Jump up.
But when I wickedest thing them for do, you know, like you want to go up on the road and you end up lie down for a minute and drop asleep to get up back to motivate yourself to go up on the road. It's so hard. Just like you don't want to do nothing.
Not
You just want to go sleep back. And you don't want to go sleep. Sometimes you don't want to go sleep. The mood just not feel. I don't like it. I don't like sleeping in the afternoon time. Me all out my sleep. Night time and my time.
Yeah, we have to catch you go sleep now and then because, you know, sometimes the body want to sleep and not fight it. So if you don't want to sleep, sleep.
My head hurt me if I go sleep in the daytime. Well, shooting my tax because the only cure for sleep is sleep.
Sleep. I remember me telling you the only cure for laugh and laugh.
Yes, the only cure for sleep is sleep. Start with video car. You abuse me. Your brain a lapse.
People, tell Kian to me now say, my brain is not a lapse.
Your brain a lapse.
Okay, nobody not sit down in my brain. How it
I
be
never
lapse?
said nobody not select your brain. I never say it is a lap. I say it's a lapse.
People sit down and you get a lap. And only way that you can find a lap in it, or if you run around and feel, that is considered a lap.
Well, your brain a run around the head. So it's a lapse then. Do not see me. Wanna see? This is all this man do. Get up and meet me up. And call the police. Cause him brain a lapse. Nah, run out in the road. I must annoying carry this one around the yard. Oh, one bike. Jeez, I'm him. Really?
Hey! Still like shit. See that?
Really?
Come out as a stunt show there on Sunday.
Hey, I know.
Man, I done the road, you know? Man, I done the road and I'm not dropping it, you know?
Eh?
Shit, one skills.
You don't him drop it now.
Gunshot.
I'm a food delivery guy now. So they don't know what go on if him drop it now.
Hold on. People, hold on before we go across the road. You see, if we don't get enough food and the chaka,
And the boy, yeah, the rider them.
then
Have
we
food.
without enough food.
You get all your juice to bomb by all your juice that's right in the bag.
Yeah, man.
Because be a wheelie them are going with. I don't deliver them, I deliver food. A stunt show.
No, man, them try assault it, virgin.
Want me people want to try to shake up the food? Junior, you watch the races?
No, sir.
You guys, I can't wait. The mic can't hear me as loud as I want to know, but I can't wait to get back my vehicle. We can carry on for some adventures and things, you see me?
got a truck.
Oh yes, I that me did say. We are got a truck. So me carrying the go over truck for all who never go over what was the name? Cayman's truck?
Yeah. Mexican running truck.
Oh him bro. You see people are passing and shy no one.
No, me have to call them people in
So all who never visit over Cayman's truck before?
We have clothes and skirt, bash one and chat.
One of these days, nobody never in a bashko.
Oh, okay.
They're going behind the aisle, gonna hide. One of these days, guys, we're gonna take you guys to Cayman's track. Go look for a Mexican ass around. Cause every time we're up come cross, we man a little cross. Every time Mexicans say Junior, I say Junior, you know, come watch my ass. My ass are run, you know.
Why you forget?
Mexicans and my ass are running, you know, Junior. I broke the machine and now you see it. We head back over now. Basically reach back over. The rain a drip.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Rain a drip. Drip, drip.
This is all this man do abuse me.
What do you mean?
Ouch! Keep my foot. Aye, buck your foot. No laugh.
To a buck house here now.
What is wrong with this idiot? Say, what do you know, guys? We're there, and what are they going? A night. What was the night? About in a day. We would go up on the road and come back. So it was about after 8. Yeah, but after 8 them time, eh? I will come in, go so turn on pipe, no water. One beard. No water for wash and no do no. So I said to Junior, say, you know what me I go do? Yes, I was interrupted. So we go around the back, we have some drum round at the back and thing you see it. So go around there, around the dark. We just go to a rag. We soap. A whole a beard around there. Yes.
Golly.
So, you want to see a beard around the back?
Nah, I don't think they want to see that.
No, some mean. Sure. We had a shower around the back, so you can use your imagination.
No.
No? Not even that?
No. That's too much.
That's
to the people them. Don't use an imagination about that.
Okay. No, you sure?
Yes, for sure.
Alright. So we'll be around the back, so don't use your imagination about that.
Yeah.
That's what better?
Yeah, don't imagine us bathing around the back.
It was so much fun. The round the way was we take a little time before we hurry up and go in. I never like going, so we know say like then I come back and we run there and turn up and we run the naked. But it was so much fun, believe me. We reach back. Misty she run up and down like
Alright,
she lost her shedder as usual.
Wanna go over K and J's React?
Oh,
yeah. Make sure you go over there now.
I want video over there so far, but we're gonna upload some more later, not you? We have one reaction for do about Batman. Superman Batman.
When you? Why mad man? You know what I mean?
Look at me while ago. I think I must say, what me I talk
Yeah,
about?
come here one day, yes, but just pick up back where you talk now. But yeah, people.
The brother there, yeah, we walk up and down about him a Superman or something like that.
In head ball, and him have two bungler something or so, like he glue on his scalp.
Yeah.
Like so. Don't forget about yours, I ain't making that. Shine.
So we don't watch the video yet. So we're gonna watch it and react to it. You see it? Let me see it. Look how Mexican. Oh. You look your phone for. But now, Roberto, you think you're a baby? You think you're a baby? Oh, I'm big old baby there. Say hey guys. So what's poppin'? What's poppin'? Say I'm Misty. You know who her favorite fruit is? Mystique. She's such a calm dog. She's not aggressive. But play that mango. The pitbull in her come out. See or something? She will bite you up for her mango. So yes guys, we reach back around as we had telling you before. So we come in and put on the stuff them. Junior him watch football, so just me out here, so I'm not cope with it. I have no company. Me a Mystique. I'm camera with Mystique. Mystique too wild for me. So yeah guys, as we just said too now, the guys thing them like, you know, but it's like every time I say yes guys, I have to say yes guys. I don't like it. So yes. But there I go and sit down on the veranda, go and take in some of the cool breeze where I blow from outside. You said whole of Jamaica have cold front, but boy, I don't know what go on with Portmore.
Yeah, you.
Where are people coming from? All I get is a peep. Is a peep in town?
Peep in town.
See him there? A football head. At the original Arnold. Hey Arnold, hey football head. Original football head this.
Yo, the man them. Woman them just don't understand. So when it come on to sports, or particularly football for me, yeah, sorry, but you have to take a back seat.
You don't hear him?
Yeah.
Who have to take back seat?
Yeah.
Football?
Hmm?
Football have to take back seat?
No, bro, when a footballer play football time, a mad time, brother.
And me and that?
What do you mean, what you mean that?
Every day this female football, every day. If I'm not, every day. Let me show you, yeah? Junior will sit down and watch a match, 90 minutes match, right? You know, sometimes we go over that because I have added time for stoppage and whatever, right? And Junior just finished watch the match, yeah? And when him done, him left. Him not even left, sorry, my bad. Him just lock off push part him to watch a football match and log on YouTube and start watch the highlights them for the football match that him just finished watch.
You just don't get it. A true football fan knows that after the match, after the whole excitement of the match, when their team win or lose, you see me? When their team win or lose, especially if them lose or they never perform well in the game, you know you cause the emotions and you cuss and go on and rare. So you don't really get it. As some man will say, oh, he got that in the man and never pass the ball, so this, that. When you watch back all the highlights now, you realize that, yo, are you the fan of the real idiot? You're on the field. So when you watch back when you cool down a little and watch what the highlights now, you realize that, oh, this, that, and you can get a better assessment of the game. Or you get a better assessment of the game in your head. She don't understand that. You see me?
This man just finish watch the football, him go sit down and him watch the highlights for hours.
Yeah.
When him done watch the highlights and you think say alright, yeah, some of my time now, I go get him for a little time before a bedtime. Think again.
Wow.
Here come PS4, FIFA.
That's a lie. That's a lie. That is a lie. FIFA maybe I play before the game. You see me? When you're done, I don't deal with no FIFA thing. Like
What is lying? After I finish watch football and finish watch I like them, him go play a little football. A football I last thing him do a night time before him turn off the game and go in bed. Him play football.
lie.
It's true. It's true. This is what I love FIFA so till. Me tell you man. Wait, I just when I move. Anytime I move and I settle down, no I go see what me I talk about. Because me I tell him I set up camera upon him box foot and record him. Me gonna see and lie me I tell. Especially when time I watch football match or him behave, yo, this brother would have watch match and all that, or play a ball, play the game and I kick the ball. And him not in the game.
You don't know nothing about sports, and I'm my fault.
So that means that if you kick invisible ball?
You don't know nothing about sports.
Of course, we know things about sports. Ask me any sports question and I can answer. Go. Ask me any sport question.
What is name one of Arsenal forward player?
Aubameyang.
Who?
Aubameyang.
What?
Aubameyang. Oh, same other name?
What name?
Aubameyang. We can't go to the road. Aubameyang. What name? Edric Aubameyang or something. Something like that. I don't have to know it completely, but I know a piece of it. I'm wrong, I'm right.
Who tell the same play forward?
I'm wrong, I'm right.
Who tell the
You
same
ask me
play
a
forward?
question, I give you an answer. You're not supposed to have a follow-up. You're supposed to just tell me I'm wrong, I'm right.
You're wrong.
Right.
Right.
So, come here and say, I'm going to show all of that for I'm wrong.
Lucky
Yeah,
guess.
so-
Lucky guess.
What? Ask me another question. That'd be so cruel.
Alright. Tell me one team. Name a team in a Premier League. Not Arsenal or Manchester United.
Chelsea.
She
So
you need to watch for the highlights, man. Fair thing.
what? Why? Why?
Remember me tell you all when you watch for the highlights, the things you
Oh, so you want to say you are adult for idiot. Guys, so this man what amount of football this man watch. I might not watch it, but I listen to football every day. So I must know one and two things if I don't watch it, but I must know one and two player name, I must know certain coach, I know teams, I must know some things.
Alright, it's a coach. Name a coach.
Let me soon tell you his name.
Yeah.
You need for
You done win already, you know, so just extra points.
Think they need to resign. Soon tell you his name. Wait no man.
If I hear me attacking, done gone already, you know.
You gone already? The little manga one there?
Me don't know
When name give me a hint.
No. I don't even know who you're talking, so I don't know who you're talking.
Little manga one man where no in the gang I see him what there. My players, Mr. I saw him talk in time attack and we tried to defend
Oh yeah, Venga?
Yeah. I said
It's gone long time.
no Venga man, I think of Venga, the young one.
Which young one?
The other one man, Arsenal thing there, what name?
Alright.
What name?
Sorry, I'm not telling you, I'm not getting the bonus points.
Sure.
Go research it.
I know him name, you know. But it's like some I've come up, I'm call him name. Because only part time I call him name. Yeah, so why you know coach man?
Yeah, the Arteta, yeah, that?
Yes, Arteta. See? If I never met him, I would say no, Arteta. So we know Arteta. Now, him always at a little slim one, you slim one.
I didn't know fact, so.
Yeah, slim one, and his face kind of much in his ear and his face in one, I don't know.
Yo, people say the man look like him ear, to him ear look. Him ear look like a Lego.
Yeah, so, because it look, you know, me I tell you, it look like it cut, oh, it shape, look like I put them hoop on his head. Him same one me attack.
So him ear look like a Lego to above.
Him same one me attack. So, I see it, guys. I know look a bit about my football. Yeah, I might not play it, but Junior go on to a whole heap of time and him play football and I pile him. Salad, kick ball over him head, big things.
You pile me?
Yeah, one of them there, I go carry go up on the field also and buy one ball. Then I play football, you know,
So when you pile me, if you don't have a ball now?
the ball burst, can I fling away ball. Anytime I win him in anything, him get so upset, him fling away the ball.
Really?
Fling away ball over my canal.
Really?
No, I like me, I tell you.
People, me and her play NBA.
I'm always a beat you.
We always a beat. Now I'm telling you, she's going to lose a couple times.
Alright. Next time,
She have a little. She have a little thing.
me beat
Well,
him
she
by
beat
far.
me. You see me? Me now I'm tell her say, yo, Ray. Like if me and her play FIFA, a joke thing. You see me? But she kind of put up a good little fight in her NBA.
But we put up fight in a FIFA because I can't score for me.
When me can't score. Man, anyway, forgot about that. It's when time she'll lose, people. When me have whoop, there it is. Be a ball, she ball. Hear a ball. Bet some, who don't play and start over the game, mid-game for me. You can't even look, you can't say a lie, no? Because I give you your flowers, you know? So don't tell a lie, I give you your flowers.
It's untrue then. I regular I beat him, I beat him to guy in the cause.
Who cause? No cause me take
and
beat him.
Control and blame the control. Always I blame the control.
Control.
Always I blame the control for the control.
Lie, bro.
The next time, me and him are going to play. We are playing best out of 7. Who win the game win $5,000. Deal?
What?
Deal? We make that vlog. So we are going to make it, we are going to record it and upload it so you can see when we beat him.
Alright, anything.
Yeah.
When we get the new crib, we do all of them things there. Set up the place and so we can look out for that too.
Yeah man, what if a reaction video will come as I say?
Out I said,
you might go on there and hide the camera film when you watch football.
I'm married from now. Out of the 7, she have a win, but 2 out of 7. I mean, and she now have a win 2 back to back. Remember me telling you now?
Alright.
Matter of fact, but
deal.
Matter of fact, some would have win 4, and then the other last one wouldn't have played. You see me? So we have a win 4 straight, back. You see me? And then we're gonna just play the other 2 and see if she can win.
Bet.
Alright.
Bet. Guys, bet. So yes, people, no, I'm saying they already have anything for vlog, so just whip out the phone and say, but we'll just say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Sunday. Man. So guys, if you don't know, if you do already, like, comment, subscribe and share the video, then when you go over to K&J React channel, we see some reaction videos. So we have about 3 of them I want to upload today, 3 or 2 of them, I'm not sure. But definitely
Somebody next door that scream?
no, I hear your belly was standing, so I look about somebody next door and scream. Some of the guys get 8 months pregnant. So when you go over there, so go check out that. You see? You're so lame. Look how man, you kill yourself. So guys, if you don't know, we catch you in another video. Go on there. Boy, may I try to set this, but it not set. Go on there, go and enjoy, look outside. Place hot like fire, but just go and chill out. You see it, so I don't know, bless up on yourself on the Sunday, most over there. Yeah, we'll leave more videos to come, but we just have to wait for second long as we were telling in the other video before. So just go and stay safe, do the right thing, big up on yourself, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video then. Peace out to you.